Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming it's dead with a meter. This protects you and the device. Next, remove the old switch and identify the line hot. Load to the fixture, neutral bundle, and ground. Label each conductor or take a clear photo so you remember placement. Once done, inspect the Smart Touch switch package for a neutral requirement and any jumper wires. Make sure you have a neutral available before proceeding. Now you wire the Smart Touch switch. Attach the line hot, conductor to the switch live terminal, and the fixture lead to the load terminal. If the switch requires neutral, tie its neutral lead into the neutral bundle. That's essential for powering the electronics. Connect the ground to the switch ground screw. Use appropriately sized wire nuts and electrical tape where needed, and make sure all connections are tight. Then carefully fold the wires back into the box. Avoid pinching any conductors before mounting. Finish by fastening the switch to the box and installing the faceplate so the device sits flush and safe. Restore power at the breaker and watch the switch initialize. Many have an LED or chime. This confirms correct wiring. Test on/off touch, dimming, and any app or remote pairing. If it doesn't work, first turn power off and recheck line/load/neutrals. Common issues are swapped line/load or loose neutral. If indicator blinks, consult the switch manual for that specific error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.